Sorry about that, guy. Sorry about that, guys. You guys hear me?
Yep.
Yeah, we hear you, Ramee.
Sorry about that.
No worries. We don't have to wait. I mean, we really don't have to wait on Rick, but we can. Oh, he should be coming soon. The judge granted us a 10-minute little extension. Don't worry, I'm prepared.
All right, I'm gonna pee in this corner here with him.
All right, have fun.
Are we all here?
Okay, never
Mr.
mind.
Long, are we gonna wait for Mr. Rick, or are you gonna proceed with?
I think we're waiting on Rick, but
I'm gonna
Primary
pee.
counsel.
Okay.
say
All right,
again. Come again with that.
We still got 8 minutes left.
I'm gonna go piss, chat. I'll be right back.
I'm primary no matter where I am, you son of a bitch. I mean, Mr. Kane Anderson.
All right.
Sorry.
Anything on Faye?
Slick Rick here.
He's on his way in a rush.
He's not here. We can start.
He's on his way. I mean, we can start. No
It'll
big
be
deal.
any minute. What's up, Rick?
I mean, I think I pretty much got this. You trust me?
Yeah, of course.
Bullshit. You don't trust me.
I do.
Yeah,
You
just
do?
come.
All right. Hell yeah.
I don't really need to say anything. Just
You
say
sure you don't want to do it?
No, you got it. It's all you.
Just
Just chill. Where the fuck is this guy at, bro? She was with me here like.
He was stuck in a cell call.
Alright, just run this up then.
Your Honor.
I mean, Ellie, you're
we
part
are-
of you're part of the firm. You can come up here. Managing partner.
Your Honor,
All right, come on.
we are ready to proceed.
All right, State, are you ready as well?
Yep, still wondering why I'm here.
All right. Court St. George is now in session. Today we are here to hear
Hurry up.
the.
I'm starting.
This is the.
Bye.
Mr. Long?
I'm terribly sorry, Your Honor. That was the other
Must be
counsel.
very important, huh?
It's the other counsel. He was worried that you would hold him in contempt.
Am I allowed to proceed, Mr. Long?
My apologies, Your Honor. It won't happen again.
All right. Today we're here to for the appeal of Mr. Rahim El Rahim. Sorry if I'm not mispronouncing that. For the illegal or as stated, illegal conviction of possession of government equipment. At this time, I have reviewed all the records and evidence, but before I get to that, I would like both parties to, if they want, to present their grounds for appeal or grounds for whatever motion that they have regarding their position in this appellate case.
Absolutely. May I, Your Honor?
Mr. Long, go ahead.
You do be the plaintiff.
Your Honor, may it please the court. We are here today because Mr. Ramee El Rahman.
Oh, God.
You all right?
Yeah. Sorry, Your Honor. The grave injustice is happening at MRPD, and I had to make sure that.
Okay,
things
dude.
were-
Do you have low hunger? Do you have low? Ask Kane if you have low hunger. If you have, no, just kidding. I'm kidding.
You got to make sure that, what?
Okay,
Anyways, Mr. Richards, we
okay.
appreciate your diligence and timely in getting here timely. Thank you. Mr.
Yeah,
Long, you
yeah,
may proceed.
yeah.
Oh, thank you. Is it okay if I proceed, Rick?
Yes, you may
Oh,
proceed.
okay. All right. I appreciate that.
Yep. All right, go ahead.
We are here today.
Good boy.
Mr. Long.
Johnson, come on, man.
I
My
just need a
life's on
second
the
to collect my
line here.
thoughts. Okay, I'm sorry.
Be a
I'm
good
sorry.
girl. Be a good girl and fucking getting me out of this. Be a good.
We are here today
Good
because
girl.
Mr. Ramee El Rahman
Good
was
girl.
convicted of a
Good
crime based
obedient boy.
entirely on the fruits of an illegal search.
Good.
So obedient.
A search that the state has no
Rick, come on, let him
lawful
lock in.
justification for after the fact, Your Honor. At
He's a
the
good little
trial,
boy.
Mr. Ramee El Rahman was
He's a good-
acquitted of aggravated assault and battery, the central charge that allegedly gave officers the authority to even search him in the first place. That acquittal strips away any legal basis the state had to justify a full body search that followed.
You're doing
The
so
officers
good.
did not conduct a Terry stop. This was not a limited pat down for officer safety. Mr.
Hey, Kane,
Ramee
hold on, get a
Rahman had
screenshot of
been
this.
shot, cuffed, and rendered unconscious. The search was invasive, it was comprehensive,
Okay.
and only conducted
Kane, hold on, get a
after his
screenshot.
arrest. An arrest now proven to be without legal merit. So the question becomes, can the state keep a conviction based on evidence that only exists because of a search they had no right to perform? The answer under any constitution
Big boy
that
sounds
values
so
due process
angry.
is no.
Bro, lock
Even
in,
if
bro.
the
Do this to
state
Kane.
argues exigent circumstances or Terry versus Ohio, neither applies here. This wasn't a frisk. This was a dig, and they found nothing. And they did
Hey,
find
Kane, check my
government
screen share.
equipment. Wouldn't have been so if it wasn't for the unconstitutional search. This is a book fruit of the poisonous tree situation. Your Honor, if we allow this conviction to stand, we send a message to officers across San Andreas that it's acceptable to shoot someone, rummage through their belongings, and fish for a charge later, even when the original charge doesn't stick. Mr. Ramee Rahman deserves so much better. So much better. He's a good little boy. The Constitution demands better, and we
Really,
respectfully
Johnson?
ask
Really?
Dude,
Grow
this
up.
court
this
to
guy,
reverse
bro.
the conviction
Be a good
for
boy and
illegal
finish this up,
possession
huh?
of government equipment and vacate the sentence.
Be a good little boy.
Thank you.
Wrap this up. Good boy. Good boy.
Thank you,
John,
Mr.
you,
Law.
did, you did great, Johnson. You did great. You
State,
did great.
do you guys have anything to present?
Here we go. He's gonna upload some screenshots. Here we go. Here we go. He's got some screenshots.
Violent situation plus individual down on the ground from gunfire equals RS to conduct a Terry frisk. They found the guns on him.
Dude.
Thank you, Mr. Anderson. Thank you.
That was great.
Good boy, Kane.
You're such a good little boy.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all. Thank you both for your testimony today. Second here.
It's a frisk that didn't happen. All right.
It wasn't a frisk, it was a search.
Yep. Exactly.
After you were arrested for a crime you were
Yes.
acquitted of.
Yep.
Yes.
Oh, I'm not whispering. I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry about that, Your Honor.
Sorry, Your Honor.
You like that? That was good shit. Good shit. You picked up what I was doing, Johnson. Yeah. That was good. That was good.
problem with you guys talking amongst yourselves, but
Good shit. Good shit.
you know, I don't want to distract anyone else.
Good. Kane, I'm surprised you didn't put up any screenshots on the board this time.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, this matter comes before the court for the appeal of Ramee Rahim, or how do you pronounce it, Mr. Rahman? Mr. Ramee.
L Ramen, sir. L Ramen.
Raman.
Make way.
Regarding
I got
the
a warrant, so I
ruling,
gotta run away
in
right
the
away
lower
after this.
court,
Yeah.
let this record reflect that Mr. Rahman was found not guilty of aggravated assault and battery, but guilty of illegal possession of government equipment. Mr. Rahman, through counsel, has appealed this conviction, challenging the lawfulness of the search that led to the discovery of the government equipment in question. Having reviewed the record of the original appeal, the 0035 appeal that Mr. Rahman's counsel filed, this court finds that the appeal to be without merit. The material facts are undisputed. At the time of the arrest, Mr. Rahman had an active warrant for his
in a
arrest.
Twilight Zone?
Whether the warrant was dismissed at a later time or a later date is irrelevant. Furthermore, Mr.
There's no
Rahim
DOJ.
was present at the scene of a mass shootout, a chaotic and dangerous situation requiring immediate
This
law
guy had his
enforcement
mind made up
presence.
before we even came here.
Under these circumstances, the police officers had clear, reasonable suspicion and indeed probable cause to detain Mr. Rahman.
Nah.
The presence of an active warrant alone would have justified his arrest.
Yeah.
The fact that he was found at the scene of a mass shootout
Fucking
only
brain dead
strengthens
DOJ,
the
bro.
officer's justification for taking such action. Once lawfully detained pursuant to the active warrant, the officers were entitled to search
Brain
Mr.
damage,
Rahman's
DOJ,
person
bro.
for
Brain
officer
damage,
safety
DOJ.
and to secure evidence. the Fourth Amendment does not require officers to ignore these safety concerns or the circumstances presented at the active crime scene under, at a bare minimum, guys, reasonable suspicion.
Is this guy
The
serious?
search that revealed the government equipment was therefore lawful. The lower court correctly determined that the evidence was admissible, and its verdict on the charge of legal possession of government equipment was supported by sufficient evidence. This court finds that there is no judicial error, overreach, or miscalculation in the proceedings of the lower court. The trial judge correctly applied the law and made a sound evidentiary.
Your Honor, can I just
ruling.
interrupt you? Why the fuck are we even here if you had this pre-written? Like, what's the point of you in a fucking hearing?
That's what I was-
And you took 2 weeks to fucking respond. To respond to this shit.
Negative. I actually
No,
had
you
a
did.
meeting-
Nah, it was positive actually, motherfucker. Because I asked Vince 5 fucking times for him to not ping you and and bump you for you to respond.
That did not happen, Mr. Ramee.
Yeah, it didn't. You want me to show you the time logs and me calling Vince every 5 fucking seconds, or should I go talk to the other 15 judges that agree with that your ruling is trash? Which one should that be?
Mr. Rahim, any further out?
Holy
outbursts,
fuck,
you'll be
bro. Go fuck
charged with
yourself. How about
contempt.
that? Take this
Alright.
contempt shoved up your fucking ass. How about that, buddy?
Officer, can you please arrest Mr. Rahman for contempt of court?
Yes, sir.
His sentencing will be 10 months in jail, $1,000 fine.
Valid crash out.
10 months
Yes,
in
sir.
jail?
Alright.
So you could
No,
take
no,
that.
No, yes. Open it.
You could take that, and then the judge can take this. How about that?
Don't regret. Rami, you're gonna regret that. Don't do that.
Take that.
Ram-
Fucking pussies.
Oh, is this your car again? I was gonna grab it for you.
Have a hearing. The guy didn't respond for 15 fucking hours, bro. Holy shit. Fucking idiot. The guy takes fucking 2 weeks to respond, bro, to a court case. 2 weeks to respond to a fucking court case. What's the point of a hearing if you fucking chat GPT to your own response? I don't understand. It's not about crashing out because I'm mad that the outcome is not in my favor. The guy's just a fucking idiot. Literally. Holy fuck.